I know you have tried different ways of chicken, but have you ever tried this recipe? Well, without using onion and garlic, though you can make delicious and yummy chicken. Yes, you heard it right. So let's begin today's recipe without onion and garlic. Hello and welcome back to my channel Cooking Story, and this is Smita. Before I start, let me show you the ingredients to make this recipe, and the ingredients are cumin seed, fresh green chili and ginger, coriander seed, red chili whole, black pepper whole, sesame seed, salt, yogurt, and our lovely chicken. Now let's begin the recipe. First of all, we need to dry roast the spices. In a heated pan, add half teaspoon of black pepper whole, half teaspoon of cumin seed, half teaspoon of coriander seed, then add 1 tablespoon of sesame seed and 2 to 3 red chili whole, specially for the color. Now dry roast it for 2 to 3 minutes, and once you are done, then remove it from the pan and place it immediately into a mixer grinder and then make a fine powder. And once you are done, keep it aside for the later part of the recipe. This freshly ground roasted spices which give its unique taste to this recipe. Now, after keeping this masala aside, let's move on to the marination part. Now over here I have taken 750 grams of chicken, cut it to medium size with bone. Into this add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, add salt as per your taste, and then mix everything well and marinate it for 15 minutes before cooking it. Now let the chicken marinate for some time. On the other hand, in a heated pan, add 1 teaspoon of refined oil, and once it heat up, then add 3 to 4 green chili slitted. With that, add julienne ginger slices. After that, fry it for 1 to 2 minutes and remove it from the pan and keep aside, as we will be using this at the time of garnishing the chicken, and which will enhance a great taste to this recipe. After removing the green chilies and the ginger into that same oil, add the marinated chicken with the marination and then cover and cook in a very slow flame for at least 10 minutes or until the moisture starts to release from the chicken. Though in between you need to open and scrap and check the moisture level. If you think the moisture has reduced a lot, then add half cup of water, or else no need to add water. Cook it further in the same way. Just cover and cook for another 6 to 7 minutes. Now finally open and check, and you will see at this point of time your chicken has been 90% cooked. Now at this stage you need to add the roasted masala which you have done at the beginning of the recipe. Add 2 tablespoons of this roasted masala. After adding the masala, stir well so the masala are well coated with the chicken, and again cover and cook for another 5 minutes or until the moisture has dried up or the masala is well coated with the chicken, and you will get a nice aroma from this. Finally, open and check and see it's looking marvelous. At this point of time, stir well and then add the green chili and ginger from top and garnish it with some roasted masala. And as the name suggests, this is dried dish, meaning there is no sauce or gravy, but it has a lot of aromatic and delicious semi-dry masala that coats the chicken. This recipe yields chicken roast that is tender, juicy, flavorful and super delicious. Now serve it hot and enjoy this with roti or paratha. Even you can have it in a snacks. Now, if you think today's recipe is worth it and you really like it and something different from the rest, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon. Those who are new in my channel, especially you, also that whenever I upload the next recipe, you get the notification. Till then, see you again with another interesting recipe. Bye bye.